The Samsung Galaxy A55 represents a notable improvement over the Samsung Galaxy A54, offering several enhancements across various aspects. Here's why the A55 stands out. 1. Bigger and better display. Featuring a larger and possibly higher resolution display, the Galaxy A55 offers a more immersive viewing experience for multimedia consumption, gaming, and browsing than its predecessor, enhancing overall user satisfaction. 2. Enhanced performance. With a more powerful processor and potentially increased RAM capacity, the Galaxy A55 delivers smoother performance, faster app launches, and better multitasking compared to the A54, ensuring a more responsive user experience. 3. Improved camera system. The A55 likely boasts an upgraded camera setup with higher resolution sensors, advanced imaging features, and possibly additional lenses, resulting in better quality photos and videos compared to the A54, especially in challenging lighting conditions. 4. Longer battery life. With a potentially larger battery capacity and more efficient power management, the A55 ensures users can enjoy extended usage without frequently needing to recharge, surpassing the battery life offered by the A54. 5. Enhanced connectivity. Options. The A55 may come with improved connectivity features such as faster LTE or 5G support, better Wi-Fi performance, and additional connectivity functionalities like NFC or Bluetooth enhancements, providing users with faster data speeds and more seamless connectivity experiences. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy A55 offers significant upgrades over the A54 in terms of performance, camera capabilities, display quality, battery life, and connectivity features, making it a compelling choice for users seeking a more advanced and feature-rich smartphone experience.